Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a bins haul for you. I went this day and they had 2 rows of book bins and a bunch of vintage books. And so I picked up some for my journals, possibly some to put into kits for my Etsy shop. And so I wanted to just show you what I found. First off, I found these really cool, they're called Best in Children's Books, and one of them does not have a cover, but the sleeve, I guess I should say, and then there's 4 more that do have a sleeve. So there's this one. I think this will be perfect to put together little vintage children's book sets. And the pictures are just awesome in here. These kind of look like they are, well, they're storybooks, but they could have been like books at a school, like a textbook sort of thing. But no, maybe it was owned by somebody, so. I'm trying to see if I can find, 1959. These are so really cool books. Kind of flip through them here a little bit more. They seem to have several different little stories in them and historical things. Like here is a one on the Capitol on Washington, D.C. and then other little fiction stories. Very cute. There's that one, and here's all the stories that are in it. And then this one I love because it has the Lassie on the front, and then inside this is what it looks like here. So this one has Lassie, looks like it has possibly Noah or Moses. Let's see here. Yeah, it's Moses. And Hawaiian Islands, a book of famous dogs, so maybe that's why Lassie's on the front. So this is a really neat book as well. So cute. I haven't decided, oh here, look at, oh these are so cute, look at those pictures. Wow. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit here. And maybe pull my books to the side. Okay, so there's that one. That one's really cool. And then here's this one. Let's see what the inside looks like. Really cool. So it seems like there's fiction and nonfiction in these books. Lots of illustrations. Very cool. And then, well, that's what it looks like on the back. And then here is one, the really cool sleeve. And then the inside looks like that. Oh, look at that one. These are amazing books. Look at how beautiful those illustrations are. Wow. Very cool. There's that wildlife. Very cool. I love that. I would have loved books like these as a kid. This was way before my childhood. Well, a few years before my childhood, before I was born. And then the back looks like that. And then the last one is cool. Has a king on the front. And then the inside looks like that. Very cool. I love how the front cover, inside cover matches the front cover. These are very cool. Oh wow. Those are neat. Nice. So that was that one. And then I found a couple bigger books here. The Make Believe Parade. This one is 1949. It's a wonder book, but a very large wonder book. These are so cute. Awesome. This one's been taped up on the side. It may have been it doesn't have a library, but usually they tape the sides of the library books. And then this one, it's in pretty rough shape. 5 Little Peppers and How They Grew. And let's see when this one was from. That's really cool. This one is from 1963. Very cool book. And then I found 2 Reader's Digests. I love to make journals out of these for the covers. And these colors I did not have, or I didn't have these specific colors or specific patterns. I think I may have one other pink, but it's not that pattern. And there's like a little vintage napkin in here that I didn't even open up to see, but look at that. Wow. 1959. Oh wow, that's awesome. Reader's Digest usually have a few pictures, but not very many. But I love that cover. That's going to be an awesome journal cover. And then this one. This one says summer of 1952. So somebody must have donated a whole house full of books from older 50s and 60s. So that's awesome. And then I found a little golden book of Noah's Ark, which is really cute. It's it's probably 6 by 6 or a little bit smaller than that. Very cute little book. And then, well, I could show you some of the pages. Very bright images. So cute. Very cool. And then I found a Smurfs book made by the publisher of Dr. Seuss books. I have been collecting Smurf supplies and things to do Smurf journals, but haven't made them yet, but I love this one. And then I found this one, thought the name was really funny, Cat Tundra. We used to have a cat named Peanut that was a huge cat. Was the same color, like an orange tabby. And he was big. This is from 1978. I just thought the images were really cute in here, the illustrations. And I love cats. They're my favorite animal. So cute. And then 2 more books here, and then I have a few little tags that I found. This is Joan Walsh England. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but they look a lot like Precious Moments. Just adorable little books. They're really cute. This one looks like it has different stories in it. Looks like this is a seasonal book, all through the seasons. It's a really cute book. Unfortunately, it didn't have the sleeve on it. And then the last thing I found was a vintage ledger book, which you know that all us junk journalists use ledger pages in our books. I've never found a vintage one like this, so it's very awesome. Has lots of pages left in it to use in my journals. Alright, so the last thing, little baggie that I found was this baggie of, well, I found some vintage Halloween tags, or place cards. So they open up, they're kind of scored right here, and then go like that, and you just put your name on them. So those are really cute. Be cute to use in next year's Halloween. I've already completed my Halloween for this year. And then I found a bunch of these playing cards in the bottom of the bins. You kind of have to dig around to find as many as you can, but they're just ones of houses, which is kind of cool. Victorian home. And then I found more little tags. They're Halloween tags, but they have those little honeycomb tissue pieces on them that you stick. So here's that one with a little, it makes a little pot with a little goo monster or whatever that is. And there's several all together. And then here's one with an owl. Several paper clips. And then here's one with a cat. So these would be hard to use on a page in a junk journal, but I can stick them in the pockets without it being opened up like that. Or this could be cut off, stuck, and used on a cover or something like that. So super cute. So for next year, that would be perfect. But that is it, guys. That's what I found at the bins. Kind of pull in some of my books that I found. So be on the lookout. I think I'm going to make up sets with these books with like a journal kit. It'll have the book and of course all the pages, and then I'll try and find coordinating other pages to go with it. I'm not sure how soon that will be, but I think that's what I'll do with these. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below, what have you been finding at your thrift stores, or if you have a bins near you, what have you been finding? I have really hit the jackpot the past couple times I've gone, and one time I found like 10 Reader's Digest books, and I told my husband, I have one shelf of Reader's Digest, and once that's filled, I'm gonna lay low and start making journals with these. I'm not gonna go overboard with them, but I just love them. I can't see them going to the dump or, you know, being thrown away, because that's what happens at the bins. Once they cycle all it through a few days, then stuff just ends up getting thrown away, especially the books, which is terrible. But that's all they can do. They get donated things, and then they try and recycle as much as they can, and hopefully people will come and buy them. And yeah, anyway, let me know what you're working on. what you've been finding, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.